Welcome to my channel. My name is Lisin and today I'm making this Wagyu beef. So I moved to Japan just 2 weeks ago. It's been crazy, but I've seen they sell Wagyu in the supermarket like a normal thing. The price is not too bad. I'll put the price right here in USD and you can compare the price. These are the Wagyu beef from Hokkaido. It's supposed to be the black hair one. I don't know. They're a thicker cut, so it's used for barbecue, like Japanese barbecue, that kind of thing. Eating Wagyu beef in the restaurant is more expensive. I want to see if I can make a little Wagyu beef gyudon. By the way, we're in the kitchen that's equipped in the hotel. Do not expect anything too fancy because let me show you. Pot that come with it, which is not very good. And this is the only 2 stove that we have. And yes, I'm watching Coco. This is the whole kitchen setup that I have. I have this Wagyu beef, some green onions, and of course some rice. Very simple ingredients, and let's see what we can make the magic out of these. So as you know, Wagyu beef is very high-end beef. It's known for the marble pattern on the meat. It's supposed to be melt in your mouth. I never have Japanese Wagyu beef in my life, so since my husband's not home, sorry Preston, I'm just going to try. Just look at this. See how fat they are. Fat here and all the white things, they're supposed to just melt in your mouth later. I'm so excited, guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pieces in this. So I'm heating up my pot right now. I'm not going to put any oils, just use the beef fat to cook it. Hopefully that works. While we're waiting, this is the microwave rice I got from the supermarket because we don't have rice cooker with us yet. It's super easy. Clear a little corner out and put it in the microwave for like 1.5 minutes. Ta-da! Super quick. Whoa. Look how shiny they are. Alright, go in there, get ready. Pot is hot enough. Let's try it. Oil come out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I tried to make it beautiful. I'm not very good at it. Don't forget some green onions. Just drizzle some. Since they're not seasoned, I'll put some salt, just regular salt. I also have this, which is like a barbecue sauce in Japan. It's a pretty famous barbecue restaurant. We'll try to season it and see which one's better. Wow. This was so small that I have to sit at the countertop, eat it with you guys. First bite, I'm using some salt on top. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I just like don't want to disappoint myself, you know? Put it on Put it on top. First bite look like this. Wow. I don't know how to explain. It just melts in your mouth, and every time you bite it, the oil comes out more. And because I eat with rice, the oil kind of combine with the rice and make it more flavorful and just amazing. I don't know. I think salt is very good. Just bring up the sweetness of the beef. I'll try salt again. And I think green onion is also a good idea because some people say like Wagyu beef is a bit too fatty. With some green onions, I think it helps to tone down the fattiness from the beef and then bring some freshness to your mouth. So Wagyu beef have different grade from A1 to A5. A5 is the most expensive and then the highest grade. The number is smaller, the lower grade it is. I don't know what grade this is. I just know it says Wagyu beef. I mean, I got it from the supermarket, so I get it's not A5. Even though it melts in my mouth pretty quickly, I still need to bite it, like there's still texture, which I preferred. Okay, coming. This sauce is good. Make it good too. with salt, I think it's better to taste the original taste of the beef. They're both good, but I think I prefer salt a little bit more. Okay. Cheers! Last bite for you guys. Just kidding. I honestly wish I can share through the screen and maybe smell how good it is. Overall, I think Wagyu beef definitely worth the price. If you prefer like a texture beef, like you want to chew on the meat, then maybe you need to get like a different part of the Wagyu beef. Definitely have to try. It's like a lifetime experience thing. Have you guys ever tried Wagyu beef? If you have, comment down below. Let me know what's your experience. If you have not, don't worry. Tell me if you want to try or if you don't want to try. So this is like a simple lunch video with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Next time you won't be in the hotel room anymore. We're moving to the new house actually tomorrow. It will be the first and last hotel cooking videos. See you later. Bye bye.